Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Genshin Impact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. You come to next here, then you click here on this sign here. Then here at Genshin Impact, just click on it here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come to next here, click here on for shop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.